Welcome back to the show, guys. Now, in this week's Talent on the Rise segment, let's check out New York-based reggae singer Agent.
Yeah, man, I want to tell us a new single right now out in the streets named We The Few, you know? Don't know, it's a Rastafari tune where basically I say I love harmony and respect we need to bring the thing back together, because we're greater than anything we would ever think aside. All right, I know the force have to get united, and the Agent come to do that, you know. My inspiration, them, when them come forth to I, it would have seemed like cooking a good meal. And I would just do this long and easy, and the thing would just come to I from a higher wavelength. So I Agent from a higher wavelength, so some of the time it come to I like that. Right now we know some boy divisions happen left and right politically and otherwise, and we want to bring the thing together. Originally, me and Clarendon, you know, yeah man, we used to live at Bucks Avenue, yeah, for many years. And that there was with me, I'm a, you know, 6 brothers, them, 1 sister, come out of the one zone, Morris Boulevard. We go to school, primary school, right up the road, up at 7th Road. Other producers I've known that we work with include say John FX, coming forward out of FX Music. We did do Freedom Music with John FX going forward. That tune still the iTunes, still a done a place. So I say, but you have to check for Agent 25 at iTunes.com. Tune name Freedom Music. We also work with currently Triton Music, as well as Running Rebel Production, and this current single, We The Few. Well, what we come to bring to the music is something where, yes, I say, me can soft, or I can go 100% in a different direction. And we me put it together, it's like it's set for the simplest man to understand, without any complication. Or if you is a high intellect or you want to look funny like that, therefore said we.
Now it's that time of the week where we check out this week's music video premiere.
Me girl find out about me side chick and she a screw. Oh, me nah this me girl fi no side chick. How are you? But my side chick, she know what is happening. She know say I just fun we having. Me deep in love with me wife chick, but me still love my side chick. This how I go.
Yeah. My girl wanna bear me name, but my side chick just wanna play the game. My girl said she can't bear the pain. It's like me want she up on the crazy train. But my side chick know fi keep a secret. And the contract we sign, she not go breach it. She a the boss lady when she a freak it. That's between me and her, she not go leak it. But me know the first lady are the realest.
Coming up after the break, we check out the play Not My Child, and we check out the highlights from Mellow Vibes. We'll be right back.